Hey Philip, John Eric here with Gorilla Pro Custom. So I'm going to show you these two make one brick. Here's another one, here's another one. These are all $100,000 bricks. I'll show you how this one works. So this is half of the $100,000 brick. This half here goes on top of this. This one's got a really cool design on it. I'm not a pot smoker, but that's a cool design. I don't care who you are. This bolts onto it with these bolts. This one's what we call very excessive. This is way bigger than necessary. This one's pretty heavy. This one's about 35, 40 pounds. This one's a survival brick. This one's much smaller. It holds 75,000, but it also holds gold and silver coins. I know you weren't interested in that, but this is what's in front of me, so here you go. These, and I know you don't collect silver either, but these hold silver coins. These are pretty cool. A lot of these we make, these look like ashtrays on top, or candle holders, all kinds of stuff. This way, if a thief breaks in your house, this is sitting here with, ashes in it, or it's got, rest in peace grandpa on it because it looks like an urn. They're probably not gonna steal that from you. So I'll move over here to the other side of the store and show you some other stuff. So this is a pretty basic $75,000 one. So this one holds 75K. This one's got a texture on it. It does not look like it definitely has not been machine polished, but it's nice already. Here's a similar one. This one has been polished. It's a little bit shinier. There's no design on this. This is just this textured pattern. Here's another 100K brick. Here's a 10K brick. These are nice for gifts. A lot of my customers get these and give them away as gifts. So it's pretty damn nice. Here's another 50, a 10, a 10, a 5. I want to show you some of the cooler ones. So this one here holds 25,000, and I can make these hold any capacity. Obviously this one's very shiny, very nice. This one's designed to sit up on a stand, on your table, or wherever you want to put it. Here's another variation of a $50,000 brick. This is basically one of the $100,000 ones like you saw a minute ago, but basically it's cut in half and it just has a lid that goes on top. I have a few more over here. The lid on top I just referred to, this is the lid that goes on top of that 50K I just showed you. Here's another round one. These are very cool too. If I can get it. There we go. So that one holds 25,000, and I could reconfigure this to hold 50, 75, 100, whatever amount you want. Here's some more. These are for coin holders. That's one of these. So I know you don't do the coin thing, but I just want to give you some ideas on what we can and cannot do. Actually, we really don't have any limitations. We can do just about anything. The American Express bricks. A lot of people get these. It's a nice design. I don't know why people like it so much. It's pretty. Here's a little Louis Vuitton design as well. That one's very nice. So that's some different ideas for you. And we do make another one. It's this style, meaning about this size. It's not too heavy, in the $100,000 as well. So it wouldn't be, the big 30-pounder that you saw earlier. It would be more like this, but basically about maybe 3 inches taller. So let me know what you like as far as finishes, designs, if you like the spiral pattern, if you like mirror finished, any kind of designs you want. We have really virtually, there's no limit. This one's a cool design as well. So that one is actually this diamond pattern here is a replica of this diamond pattern in the American Express logo. Another Louis Vuitton one as well. So give me a call back and let me know what you liked in this video, and we'll make you something very cool. And I have, that's actually a demo model. That one doesn't count. So call me back, let me know what you like. This is a cool pattern as well. The main reason we do patterns like this, for example, is this is beautiful. You can make it shiny, but it doesn't really show fingerprints too much. And of course, we can do custom designs from anything you can think of. So let me know. And if you're not Philip watching this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away free bricks that hold cash, coins, gold, silver, whatever. We'll do customized as well. See ya.